Welcome back, guys! Want to make this amazing infographic? Let's start. Go to Insert and Shapes and insert this shape. There you go. Rotate it and adjust it like I have done. That's it. Now go to Color and change its color. Increase its transparency to 16%. Now go to Outline and change its outline color. Now, duplicate the shape by pressing Ctrl+D. Rotate the duplicated shape. Add a straight line right here. Increase its width to 3.5 pt. Add another line right here and increase its width to 3.25 pt. Change the line's color. Increase this right here. Go to Insert, and then go to Shapes and add a line and place it right here. Increase its width to 3 pt and change its color. Go to Insert and Shapes and add this turning arrow. Remove its outline. Change its color. Select all the shapes and group them. Add a circle and give it shadow. Change its color. Duplicate it and make this one smaller. Add this donut. Now, add icons and put them in this smaller circle. And change their color to white. Here's the final result. Subscribe.